That software is ready this time. That is what is going to make this whole Mahasda Shoham rocking. It is completely just no doubt power manifestation. It will be like you will see literally the past and the future and what you were and what you are so clearly with a clear breakthrough. I should say it is bone marrow enema. Enema to bone marrow. I'm actually putting the thought current like a listen. Now I am saying no gap between strategy, energy, matter. How many of you are ready for the willful conclusion? Okay. Now, then just manifest powers. Earlier, you tried, because it did not manifest, you want answer for why. The why cannot have answer because it did not manifest itself is a false. Don't try to come to the conclusion, I did not try enough. My will was not strong enough. You need to know, listen carefully. Your will, my will, both are equally strong, same frequency. I did not want answer for why it did not manifest earlier. You want answer for that is what is carrying the past dead body. I don't want answer. I don't want answer for my earlier. I don't want to brand that failure or successful. For how many of you it is clicking? Can there be answer for why you were so attached to your toy car when you were at the age of 7? Can there be logical answer? Because that's all you know at that time. Can there be logical answer why earlier you did not manifest? Because that's all you know about life at that time. That time I did not manifest, now also I won't manifest is called faulty generalization. That time I was very attached to my toy car, even now if I see the shop I may get attached. Is the stupid understanding, stupid doubts about your own stupidity. It's called stupid square. I am not motivating you. No. Understand? I am not motivating you. No, I am not motivational guru. I am actually heating you up. You just need to come to this logic as your functional mechanism. This is the nectar. I am just infusing into your brain. See, ultimately, conclusions matter. Power manifestation is side effect. Why the power manifestation? No. Confirmation that conclusions have become reality is power manifestation, nothing else. It is not that all have to be manifesting. See, it's not that all enlightened masters have to be power manifesting. But it is not that they cannot do. There cannot be cannot. Power manifestation is the confirmation. The conclusions have happened. Siddhis are different. Siddhis are acquired wealth. Powers are World Bank. See, World Bank releasing a currency is different. You going and robbing a bank, and as long as they do not interfere in the conscious manifestation of human being, we don't have a problem. See, fundamentally, you all have happened on this planet Earth not to pay bills or to die with a bunch of documents of ownership. And the amazing conclusions with which you operate and continue to operate is the benefit. See, the conclusions with which you operate, if it exceeds the boundaries of body, you will continue to operate. Listen, this is what is amaratva, aksharatva. The conclusions with which you operate, if it is not limited by your body, you will continue to operate even after the body stops operating. That's what is Jiva Samadhi. So the conclusions with which you operate is all matters in the life. You can be politician, no problem, that will not stop your enlightenment. You can be robber, that will not stop your enlightenment. That is no way. The conclusions with which you operate should be larger than the limitations you perceive by your body. Getting what I am saying? The conclusions on which you are sitting should be larger than, means should be more stronger foundation, grounding than the body on which you are sitting. Age, wealth, background, color, gender, nothing matters. It's all psychodrama. It's all psychodrama. How many of you feel this whole area is just if you think I'm just talking, you are fool. I am actually coming to conclusions for you. I am not actually talking. I am coming to conclusions for you. Or I should say, I am coming to conclusions in you. That is all is the best help you can get, best help I can do. The best help I can do to human beings, making them come to the best conclusions about them. Only for that purpose, all this land, all this property, all these ashrams, all these big temples, the use, actually this whole Sittar Hills is now Janma Sabalyam, means that their purpose of existence is fulfilled. Tomorrow if they become, of course they are not going to become non-existence. Tomorrow if they become non-existent, they can go to Kailash and report, we have done our job. We are thoroughly used. You may think, then what is rare about why it is rare, human beings able to trust another one person's spiritual integrity and allowing him to conclude for them. So for this only all power manifestation, all understanding, all Shastra Pramana, all Apta Pramana, all Atma Pramana, all Sakshi Pramana, the whole drama we are doing is for this few minutes where your system comes to conclusion, your cognition comes to conclusion. I'm going on saying that you don't need to concentrate, you don't need to concentrate. But how many of you are understanding already you are highly concentrated for last? When your mouth is too full, where will your tongue go anywhere? How can your tongue go anywhere else? I am occupying your depth so full. Your logic is only now grabbing the so small chick, 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 chick. See, your properties are your properties, not the properties are your properties. The cognition with which you move, properties are your properties. I am not saying don't have the paraphernalia property. Paraphernalia property can be useful to make body luxurious, comfortable, whatever, all that. Property means the cognition's strength more powerful than your body. Gives you the fundamental freedom from your body-mind complex. That is power manifestation. How many fear? For how many it is hitting?